In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Kit to Godaddy. We are going to connect your form from Kit to your Godaddy website. This lets visitors fill it out right on your page, without you rebuilding anything. Take a moment now to have both tools open in your browser, so you can follow along smoothly. First, in Kit, click Audience Growth. This is where Kit groups the features that help you attract and capture leads. Once you click Audience Growth, you should see options related to landing pages and forms. Next, click Landing Pages and Forms. This section is specifically for creating and managing the pages and forms you plan to embed into your site. Keep an eye out for the list of your existing forms and landing page elements. Now, open your form. Choose the form you want to place on your Godaddy page, and make sure you are opening the correct one, especially if you have more than one form. Opening the form is important, because the embed code you copy will match that exact form. After the form is open, click Embed. This tells Kit that you want to use the form outside of Kit, such as on your own website. You will usually see options for different embed formats. Next, click HTML. The HTML view is where Kit provides the raw code that your website can display. If you see a code box or a text area, that is the section we will use in just a moment. Then click Copy. This copies the Kit embed code to your clipboard. Before you move on, make sure the code is actually copied, since you will need it later when you paste it into Godaddy. Now that your code is copied, you can switch to Godaddy. Open your website so you can add the form to the right page. If you have multiple pages on your site, this is where you will pick the correct one. Once you are in Godaddy, click Edit Website. Editing mode is what allows you to make changes to the content and layout. After you enter Edit mode, you should be able to browse and select pages. Next, go to the page where you want the form. Choose the exact page where visitors should see the form. This step matters because you do not want to paste the embed code into the wrong page. When you have the correct page open, click Add Section. This is the option that lets you insert a new block of content. It is a common step in website builders because forms are usually added as a dedicated section. After that, click Files and Web. This category is where Godaddy places items that are not basic text elements. You are going there because the form will be added using HTML. Then click HTML. This will add an HTML section you can fill with the embed code from Kit. Look for a text area or field where you can paste code. Now paste the Kit code. Make sure you paste the entire block of HTML code that you copied earlier. After pasting, double-check that the code appears in the field and is not missing any characters. Finally, click Publish. Publishing pushes the changes live, so visitors can see and use the form. After publishing, it is a good idea to refresh your page in a new tab to confirm the form appears as expected and is interactive. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.